web browser, and then you want to click on the first link in the description, and that should take you to this website. Now when you're on this page, what you want to do is just click on this green button which says install Steam now. So you just want to left click on it, and now as you can see, the setup for Steam should start downloading. What you want to do is just left click on the setup file, and then the setup for Steam should launch. You just want to click on next. Here they're going to ask you for your language. I'm just going to go with English and then click on next. Here you can just leave this at the default location and then click on install. And as you can see, Steam should begin installing, and when it finishes you want to leave this option checked which says run Steam and then click on finish. Now the first time which you launch Steam, it might take a couple of minutes for it to update, so you just want to give it a couple of minutes and then you can come back when it's finished. And when the setup finishes, if you go onto your desktop, you're going to see that you now have a Steam icon and Steam has been installed on your computer. If this is the first time you're downloading Steam, you also want to create a new account. If you already have an account, you can just log in, but I'm just going to be creating a new account for this video, so you want to click on create new account. And then over here, you want to write in your email address. Here you can choose the country which you live in, and then over here you need to fill in these letters. And then you want to scroll down and make sure that you accept their terms of service and then click on continue. Now they're going to send a verification to your email address, so you want to open your email. And as you can see, we have an email from Steam over here, so you just want to click on it, and then here you just want to click on create my account. So now when we go back to the Steam page, here they're going to give you an option to choose a name for your Steam account, so I'm just going to choose Volks, and then you want to put in a password. Let's just go with Volks1. Then you want to click on complete sign up. Now you can click on continue, and as you can see, they're going to ask you to log in. So my username is going to be Volks1, and my password is whatever password which you chose. And then you can just click on login. And now as you can see, you should have the full version of Steam installed on your computer, and over here you can just go into the library section just to see the games which you have, or you can go into the store section if you want to buy a new game. So I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions at all, just leave a comment and I'll try my best to help. Give the video